Welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about infrastructure development, major construction projects, and the transformation happening across Nigeria, this channel is the right place for you. Today, we are taking you to Kilometer 1, where one of the project's most important structures is rapidly coming to life, the Maruwa Link Bridge. Positioned at the beginning of Section 1, this bridge is more than just a crossing. It represents critical connection that will improve traffic flow, enhance accessibility, and support long-term vision of a modern coastal transportation corridor stretching across Nigeria's southern coastline. Join us as we take an in-depth look at the construction progress, engineering activities, and what these elevated structures means for the future of Lagos and beyond.
So good day, guys. This is another day on Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Today we are on Section 1. Section 1 at channel 000 between Victoria Island, from Ahmadu Bello Way. So one important thing, where I am presently is the interchange, the bridge that connects the first bridge along the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway from channel 0 coming from Ahmadu Bello Way. So interestingly, this is the first bridge on this corridor. If you are, I'm around Maruwa. If you want to connect from Lekki Expressway into Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. So if you are around the Victoria Island axis, then Maruwa axis, if you want to connect to Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, this is the bridge where you first take. This is the first bridge on this corridor that connects Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway from Maruwa Junction. So we'll take you around to give you what the bridge looks like. The alignment is so funny and it's very, very wide. It's from here to the other end of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway from the boat carriageway. So we'll show you around to see what it looks like. The structure is not that much visible. We are still having, from here now, this is the column. From here, I'm standing on the column now. It's still sandy and all that, but it's already up. So ahead we have some sketchy pike caps and beams ahead. You will see it. So from here too, we'll be taking you inside the elevated structure along the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, especially on Section 1. In the interchange, underpass, we also have pedestrian bridges on this corridor, Section 1 alone. As the 47.7 kilometer Section 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, which begins from Ahmadu Bello Way and ends at Lekki, moves steadily towards completion, attention is increasingly shifting from the extensive roadway itself to the impressive elevated structures rising along the corridor. Among the most significant of these are the Maruwa Link bridges at Kilometer 1, a critical engineering component located near the beginning of the project. While much of the highway alignment are already taking shape, construction teams are now focused on delivering this strategic bridge structure that will play a pivotal role in the highway long-term functionality. Today, the towering columns, reinforced concrete structure, and ongoing construction activities offer a glimpse into the next phase of this transformational infrastructure project. As the highway nears completion, these elevated structures are becoming the new focal points, showing the scale, ambition, and engineering innovation behind Nigeria's most significant road projects. What makes this location particularly unique is that the two Maruwa Link bridges are positioned precisely where the coastal road alignment splits into separate corridors. Designed to accommodate highways' complex geometry and ensure seamless traffic movement, these bridges will connect key sections
of the route while maintaining uninterrupted flow along the corridor. Let's start with the first structure, which is designed to connect the Lekki-Epe Expressway to the Coastal Highway corridor from inward Maruwa. The bridge stretches across one of the coastal road carriageway and descending around the SPG area. The ramp up and the ramp down are already visible, giving us a glimpse of the alignment and what the bridge will look like when completed. The second bridge has its ramp-up positioned at the front of Blue Water Tower. As at the time of making this video, as a foundation that will bear the concrete piers and columns are in their formative stage. This elevated structure is also designed to enable transitioning across the second carriageway of the coastal highway smoother and seamless without interrupting with the traffic on the highway. The Maruwa Link Bridge at Kilometer 1 is steadily taking shape, making another milestone in the development of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. From the foundation works to the rising bridge structure, every stage reflects the scale and ambition of this landmark national project. Construction teams continue to work on pier caps, reinforced installation and concrete casting operations, carefully following the engineering specification to ensure durability and safety. The growing height of this structure is now giving residents and commuters clear indication of the bridge's final scale. As construction progresses, heavy lifting equipment is being utilized to position structural components with remarkable precision. Once completed, the bridge deck will provide seamless connection along the coastal highway corridor, allowing vehicles to travel efficiently while maintaining uninterrupted movements beneath and around the structure. What are your thoughts on the progress of these Maruwa Link bridges and the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway in general? Share your opinion in the comment below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for exclusive coverage of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway and major infrastructure across Nigeria. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.